Tonight is the last day of me having this Coca-Cola fridge that I have had for 10 years. And my dad has ordered me a new one, and this fridge is going to be replaced by as well. The reason for that is this fridge has started dying now. So tonight we are going to have a look at it before we say goodbye. So let's open up the fridge, and this is what it looks like. If you guys are asking where did I get this fridge from, I got this from Curry's, and I think you can still get one as well. So on here is where I put my big bottles, and on here I either put cans on there or my chocolate. And on here is where I put 2 cans or chocolate buttons. Yeah, so this fridge was used for me putting cans and chocolate in there as well. So, farewell my good fridge. You will be missed ever since I've had you for 10 years now. I know you are starting to die, but unfortunately, we're going to be getting a new fridge. It's not going to be the same one like this. It's going to be completely different. Hopefully it'll be a great one as well. So, farewell, my good fridge. You will be missed. And I know I've said that twice. So, goodbye.